Hi, I'm Corey, and today we're going to be learning how to play Elastic Heart by Sia on the ukulele. I'm in a little bit different location today. I've been on vacation and currently I am on a porch. There's some barbecue equipment behind me, but I made a commitment to post every single day for the month of July, and I am going to stick with it. First thing you want to do, make sure your ukulele's in tune. That's going to be a G on the 4th string, a C on the 3rd string, an E on the 2nd string, and an A on the 1st string. Now, you're only going to need 4 chords for this song in total. That's going to be a C, a G, a D, and an E minor. To make the C, take your ring finger, place it on the 1st string, 3rd fret. To make a G, take peace, place your 1st finger on the 2nd fret, 3rd string, your 2nd finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret, and then your 3rd finger right between the two. To make a D, you're going to take your 3 fingers here, place the first one on the 2nd fret, 4th string, the next one on the 3rd string, and your 3rd finger on the 2nd string. To make the E minor, you're going to take your 3 fingers again, place your first one on the 2nd fret, 1st string, your 2nd finger on the 2nd finger, 3rd fret, and your 3rd finger on the 4th fret, 3rd string. The main progression we're going to be using for this song will be C, G, D, and E minor. We're going to be doing a little bit of a fun strumming pattern for this. After each chord, we're going to go strum, strum, and then we'll move to the next one. So for instance, for the first progression, we'll have C, C, G, G, D, D, E, E. 1, 2, here we go, and another one bites the dust. But why can I not conquer love? And I might have got to be with one. Why not fight this war without weapons? And I wanted it so bad. But there were so many red flags. And another one bites the dust. And let's be clear, I trust no one. For our little pre-chorus, you're going to do the exact same progression. You'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then repeat it. So like this. 1, 2, here we go, and you did not break me. I'm still fighting for peace. Now what's awesome is for the chorus, you literally have the exact same progression, and that can just take us through the entire rest of the song. Let's try the chorus. 1, 2, here we go. Well, I've got thick skin and an elastic heart, but your blade, it might be too sharp. I'm like a rubber band until you pull too hard. I might snap, but I'll move close. You won't see me fall apart, 'cause I've got an elastic heart. I've got an elastic heart. Yeah, I've got an elastic heart. For that little end of the chorus, I would just go on the chord changes there. I think it adds a little bit of a dramatic effect, which is kind of fun. Let's try the next verse. 1, 2, here we go, and I will stay up through the night. Let's be clear, won't close my eyes, and I know that I can survive. I walk through fire to save my life, and I want my life so bad. I'm doing everything I can, and another one bites the dust. It's hard to lose a chosen one. You did not break me. You're still fighting for peace. Time for the chorus. 1, 2, here we go. Well, I've got thick skin and an elastic heart, but your blade, it might be too sharp. I'm like a rubber band until you go too hard. I might snap, but I move close. You won't see me fall apart, 'cause I've got an elastic heart. Now for the next part, it consists of saying oh, 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 and then but it keeps going through the same progression. So let's try it. 1, 2, here we go, and oh, 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 and then it goes right into the last chorus. 1, 2, here we go. Well, I've got thick skin and an elastic heart, but your blade, it might be too short. I'm like a rubber band till you go too hard. I might snap, but I move close. You won't see me fall apart, 'cause I've got an elastic heart. Yeah, I've got an elastic heart. I've got an elastic heart. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Sorry about the change of scenery, and I hope the sound was okay. It's very windy out here today. It's absolutely beautiful, but it is very windy, which doesn't make for great recording. I'll be returning from vacation in a couple days, so the videos will go back to normal with the quality and everything as well. Make sure to subscribe so you can see new tutorials every single day for the month of July for the ukulele. And if you're working on a song and you'd like help on it, comment down below and I can see if I can make a video to make that helpful for you. A lot of times songs have a lot of extra chords that you don't necessarily need to play in order to still have the sense of the song. So I'm happy to help out with that. Thanks so much and have a great day.